brother thing. This is week 9. I finished it a while ago, but I had an error that I wanted to fix before I turned it in. Probably should have just turned it in. But anyway, here we go. So, contacts, messages. So everything looks the same as it did before. The only difference is now it's pulling it from Firebase. So I think I still have it logged in the console. Let's see, console. It says, I don't know what this means, but I can show you. Or maybe you can already see that it is, maybe if I make it bigger. I'm sorry, I can't remember how to show you that it's pulling from the Firebase. But I can show you, let's go to my documents, item, contact document. Sorry, I'm struggling. I don't feel very good. Here we go. The services, that's what I needed. This guy. So you can see my Firebase perks. I have all my arrays in there for my documents. And I guess I could show you my messages too. My contacts, since I have that up. Oh, not my contacts, but my, yeah. Excuse me. Here's all my contacts in my Firebase. I don't know if you actually want me to go to my Firebase, but if not, then you can probably just end the video now. But yeah, that's my lesson 9. Basically all the same, except now I have this database. Sorry, it's taking forever. Here we go. This is what I want to show you. Oh, nope, it's not. I think I need to go to the real-time one. There we go. So my documents and my messages, contacts. So you can see that I have that all in there. Just want to show you that, that's all.